How to fix Rheem water heater drain valve leaking. First, turn off the heater. For the electric Rheem, turn off the breaker labeled water heater or similar. Rheem notes that there may be more than one breaker. And for the gas Rheem, turn the gas control to the appropriate off setting and shut off the gas supply if required by your model. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Close the cold water shutoff valve above the heater. Step 3. Attach a garden hose. Connect the garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the tank and route the other end to a safe drain location. Step 4. Open a hot water faucet. Open a hot water faucet somewhere in the house. This helps relieve pressure and allows the tank to drain. Now, the water may be extremely hot. Rheem specifically warns about hot water when performing this procedure. Then step 5. Drain the tank. Open the drain valve and let the tank drain completely. Rheem's current flushing instructions likewise call for a connecting hose and opening the drain valve to drain the tank. Step 6. Remove the leaking drain valve. Only once the tank is empty, remove the old drain valve. For a threaded valve, this is typically done with an appropriate wrench. Don't start unscrewing it while the tank is pressurized or full. Step 7. Install the new valve. Install a replacement drain valve appropriate for your exact remodel and properly seal the threaded connection according to the valve. And then step 8. Refill the tank. Close the new drain valve and remove the hose. Then open a cold water supply, open a hot water faucet, let the tank fill, and then wait until water flows steadily from the hot faucet without air. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.